Hi, welcome to another IoTKG how-to video. In this video, we'll be looking at how to flash the IoTKG firmware onto an Espruino device. The firmware will allow the Espruino device to connect to the IoTKG app and also to connect to new sensors. The Espruino device we'll be dealing with is the Puck.js. What does flashing a new firmware mean? Well, it's similar to updating the operating system on your laptop, except in this case, it's for our Espruino device. To flash the new firmware onto the Puck, we need to hard reset it. For this next set of instructions, listen to them completely first before trying them out. First, take the PCB, which stands for printed circuit board, out of the silicone casing. Next, remove the battery with a non-conductive tool such as a matchstick, pen lid, or a plastic utensil, and then replace it while holding down the button. The green light should turn on. Release the button within 3 seconds of inserting the battery back in. This should cause the green light to increase in brightness. If you have an older model of the Puck.js, the green light might flash instead of this. If you do not see any changes with the lights, repeat the steps again until you see the correct behavior. Your Puck is now ready to be flashed with the new firmware. Download the latest Espruino firmware on your mobile device by finding it at this web link. Make sure you click the one specifically called Current Espruino Data Logger Hub Firmware. This will download a zip file. Make sure to turn on Bluetooth on your phone before proceeding. This first set of instructions is for the iOS app. For the Android version, skip to the timestamp displayed on the screen. Download the NRF Toolbox app on your iOS device. We'll be using it to flash a new firmware onto our Puck. Open the NRF Toolbox app and scroll down until you see DFU. DFU stands for Device Firmware Upgrade. Select DFU and then tap Connect. Choose a device called DFU Tag. If a device called Puck pops up instead, then something has gone wrong with the Puck reset steps. If so, follow the previous hard reset instructions again. When you are prompted to select a file, choose the zip file that we just downloaded. We'll need to flash this code to the Puck, so click Update. For the Android app, download the NRF Connect app on your Android device. We'll be using it to flash the new firmware onto our Puck. Open the NRF Connect app. On the scanner page, search for DFU Tag. You may need to drag the page down to refresh it. If a device called Puck pops up instead, then something has gone wrong with the Puck reset steps. If so, follow the previous hard reset instructions again. Tap Connect on DFU Tag. On the next screen, in the top right corner, click on the DFU icon and click OK. And then, find the zip file we downloaded before. You can find this in your Downloads folder. When you select the zip file, the upload commences. The light on the Puck will turn blue, and then the DFU process will start. The flashing process may take around a few minutes to complete. You may want to make sure that your phone doesn't time out and turn off during this process. This can be fixed by changing your phone settings or occasionally tapping the screen to prevent it from turning off. Flashing firmware is a one-time process and only needs to be repeated if there are new versions of the firmware developed with bug fixes. This is true for hard resets as well. Now that the firmware has been flashed to the Puck, we'll test it to see if this has been done successfully. First, go to the Espruino web IDE using this link. We recommend using Google Chrome on a laptop for this rather than an iPad. Enable Bluetooth on your laptop, and then connect to the Puck by clicking the yellow button in the top left corner. If an error occurs, refresh the web IDE page or restart Bluetooth on your laptop. Click on the upload button in the middle of the page. If this works, you'll see a few messages in the console on the left. What we're looking for is an IoTKG signifier in the firmware banner. As you can see, here it is. This tells us that the firmware update was a success. You're now ready to connect your Puck to the Mi Flora sensors. To do this, please watch the Connecting Your Mi Flora Sensors video. Thanks for watching.